We handled the Angular dependencies. Now let's work on the actual Angular packages. These are the things that are part of the Angular core and are needed to build our applications. Now keep in mind, Angular 2 is more so a framework than Angular has ever been in the past. Angular 2 really wants to move to that platform level where it can create any type of application that you want to build. If you want your Angular 2 app rendered on the server side, you can do that. If you wanted it to get packaged into a mobile app or a native mobile app, you can do both of those as well. And this is the reason that there are very modular packages when we're working with Angular 2. It also helps decrease the payload and the file size of our application when we can keep it very modular and only pick what we need. Here are the core packages that we need: Angular Core, Angular Common, the compiler, platform browser, and since we're going to be making a website, we want platform browser dynamic. Let's install all of those next. Back in the command line, npm install Angular Core, Angular Common, and we'll save that. We'll also have this string in the below notes, so you can just copy and paste that into your command line. On top of the Angular core packages that are required, we're going to look at some Angular extras, which are used in most every application. We need Angular HTTP, we need Angular Forms, the Angular Router, and if you're looking to upgrade your applications, Angular Upgrade is also a great package. Let's go install those as well. npm install Angular HTTP, all right, now we have all the Angular core stuff. We have our Angular extras. For this course, we're only going to use Angular Forms, but it's good to have HTTP and Router and Upgrade in there in case we need to use them for our other applications. And since one of the goals of this course is to create your very own Angular 2 starter so that you can get up and running with Angular 2 in maybe 5 seconds, it's good to add those in right now. Let's close these out and take a look at package.json. You can see now that all of our dependencies are right here. We have common, compiler, core, and all the rest. So when we're building out new Angular applications, all we have to do is copy this package.json file, the tsconfig and the typings file, and soon to be the System.js file. We can just copy those 4 files, run npm install, and we have an Angular 2 app ready to go. And that will be our final goal to create this Angular 2 setup starter. Next up, we're going to use System.js to load all of these other packages so that we can use them in our application.